guys, it's Kiss.Makeup and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will be celebrating Pride Month. As you guys know, June is Pride Month, and although it is coming to a close, I still wanted to do a couple of things just to commemorate the entire celebration of Pride Month. So if you're a returning subscriber, then you already know that I am a member of the LGBTQ community, but outside of being a member of this community, I just feel that LGBTQ rights are important just in general as a whole. Although I am privileged to live in the United States where rights for same-sex couples are a thing, there are people that live in many other parts of the world that do not have that same privilege that honestly should just be a basic right. There are many people that are killed and that honestly commit suicide every day because they're not able to express themselves in their sexuality and just completely be who they are. And I know that 1 month isn't going to change everything, but I do hope that this 1 month allows us to all be ourselves and express our individuality as well as our sexuality, because although sexuality is not everything, it is very, very important, and it is an important factor of who we are. So I filmed another Pride video a little bit earlier this month, and it should be up by now. I know like I've been kind of behind in uploading, but I think it should be up before this video if you guys want to check that video out. And although I really liked that video, I thought that the look turned out really pretty. I feel that I wasn't really able to like engage with you guys on a one-on-one basis. So while I was editing that video, the idea to film this video actually popped into my head. So in today's video, I'm gonna be recreating my very first Pride look. That look was filmed, I think, in 2017, even though I said last year in my last video. It was actually filmed in 2017, if I'm not mistaken, and it's a little rough. Makeup is something that I really love, but it's not at all something that I've perfected. By continuing to practice makeup, I feel that I'm getting better with it over time, and that video was a part of the process. I am going to show you guys what it looks like. I think I actually have the look posted somewhere on my Instagram. So if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, be sure to, ooh, that's pretty. Go ahead and do that. And yeah, it was filmed in 2017. And this is the look that I am referring to. So there's a lot going on in this picture. There's a lot going on with this look, and I'm hoping that at the end of this video, I will have recreated that look and it looks like at least 10 times better, because that look was really like a, you know, it was nice for the time being, but colors aren't something that I'm really comfortable using. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. So while I'm looking at the picture, it looks like it's pretty much a yellow, pink, and orange like look. I don't even want to call this a cut crease, but it's a yellow, pink, and orange look. And then it has blue and purple liner on the bottom with blue glitter. Knowing what I know now, I'm going to start off with a primer. And today I'm going to be using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And this is pretty much my favorite primer. I didn't go back and look at the video to see like what I did back then, because I really wanted this look to be completely, I guess like the new techniques that I know now. I didn't really want to just base everything off of what I did back then. So now that my eye is all primed and ready to go, I'm going to start by applying a brown shade as my transition color. I can't really tell whether I applied a transition in this picture. I'm going to start off by applying a brown shade to my crease, and that's going to act as my transition shade. And then I'm going to blend in a pink shadow right into the crease. One thing that I've learned about doing eyeshadow is that a lot of times I start with a large fluffy brush, and then I slowly like work my way down to smaller and smaller brushes as I work inward toward the center of the eye. So I'm just going to start off with this really pretty brown shade, and I'm placing this where my paint pot meets my concealer under my brow. I'm gonna go in with a different fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply this pink shade beneath where I applied the brown. I'm being very, very light-handed when I'm applying this. Next, I'm gonna go in with the pencil brush just to further just like define that crease area right before I cut my crease. I really want it to be very, very distinct. Really darkening up that line where I intend to cut my crease. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera. I'm gonna go in with the small detailing brush, and I'm gonna use this in combination with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Another thing that I've learned is that when I'm cutting my crease, especially when I'm using bright colors, I really like to use a generous amount of this paint pot, because if not, I've noticed that the paint pot tends to like shift with the shadow, and it'll basically, it's going to turn pink. So then I'm gonna go in with another layer of it, and it's going to make it more white. That way the colors that I apply on top of it actually stay true to color. That's what we're looking like so far. So next, I see that I have a little bit of dark purple in the crease, and then I have some orange on the lid, and then some yellow right in the front corner. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that purple though. Let me see if I can find a purple that I like. I think I just may substitute that purple for a red, so I'm going to use this red shadow on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that right where the pink meets the tail of my paint pot. That's what we're looking like so far. We got the red blended right there. And I chose the red because I think that it will actually pair really nicely with this orange that I'm about to use. I'm just going to put the orange right in the center. Right in the front. More product, but just blend the line where the two shades meet. And then go back in with that red again. So I'm gonna take some of that paint pot and apply it onto my lower lash line. Another thing that I've learned is to apply it under the lashes. I'm gonna go in right where my crease is cut, and I'm gonna apply this like white. That's just about dry. I think I'm gonna go in with some black liner, and I'm gonna apply that on my top lash line, but I'm only gonna apply a little bit of this because I don't want anything dramatic. Another thing that I didn't really know about when I filmed that video was applying mascara on my bottom lashes. That's something that I really love to do now. My favorite mascara to apply on my bottom lashes right now is the Clinique, I think it's called Bottom Mascara or something like that. Bottom Lash Mascara, yeah. So it has this really tiny applicator, which makes it really good to apply on the lower lashes. I'm gonna go off camera and go in with some lashes. So this is what we're looking like so far. I hope you guys don't mind. I went ahead and played catch up on my other eye off camera. So as I'm looking at the picture, I do remember that when I filmed this look, I was not really into base makeup. I didn't really have like a really good foundation routine. I think at that time I was still actually mixing my foundation with lotion to try to like sheer it out, because I wasn't like really comfortable applying foundation, especially not a full coverage foundation. So nowadays I like to use a concealer to contour as well as a powder. Looking at the picture, I seen that I had a dark red lip, but it doesn't, I can't tell if it was supposed to be a matte lip or not, but I think I'm gonna go for a matte lip today. But in the picture I used the more vibrant one, so I think that's what I'm gonna do again. Before, and this is the after. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. How do you think I did? Do you think it looks the same? Do you think I've improved at all? I mean, I think I improved, but let me know what you think in the comments anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing another one of these kind of like revamped and reloaded types of videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, please subscribe to my channel so that you never miss another upload. And if so, I will see you in the next video.